Subscribe to Drama YT and press the bell icon to get the latest videos first of the all. Hey guys, how are you? It's K2 and welcome to Drama YT. In this video, I'm going to talk about some of my favorite Chinese dramas of 2021 which are available on YouTube. As some of you guys are so innocent that you guys don't know about, there are some sites like Dramacool or Kiss Asian where you can watch any of your favorite C-dramas and K-dramas for free. So that's a talk for another video. For the lazy ones like me, you could find all the playlists of the dramas that I'm gonna mention in this video in the description section below. So give this video a like and let's get to it. Number 10. Storm Eye. A story about a team of agents is told from the perspective of An Jing and Ma Shang. Showing no fear in their mission to uphold justice, these officers work hard to protect national interests. Ma Shang is a national security agent who receives a special mission to trail a spy from beyond the borders all the way to Xuanxing city. While performing surveillance work, Ma Shang discovers that the spy is but a small fry in their grander schemes of things and that their goal is to set up the top secret research of Huading Group. Due to extenuating circumstances, Ma Shang is dispatched directly to Xuanxing to collaborate with the city bureau in commencing an investigation under code name Storm Eye. As a team is formed, Ma Shang realizes that the local team leader is none other than his high school classmate An Jing, who had left 10 years ago without even saying a goodbye to her. Number 9. Make My Heart Smile. The story of a group of young college students meeting, forming new friendships, and falling in love while maturing and realizing their youth dreams under the encouragement of each other's company. Number 8. She is the one. The bridegroom who concealed his identity and the fake bride who replaced her elder sister. After a variety of experiences on the emotional road of marriage first and then love, the two got caught in the emotional game of cat and mouse. Will they choose to stay together for a lifetime? Number 7. Always Have, Always Will. Small town girl Fang Li and the stone-faced straight-A student Liu Yan relive their forgotten days from high school after reuniting in college, thus starting their journey of love that is filled with endless bickering. Fang Li and Liu Yan become classmates during their freshman year of high school. For Fang Li, Liu Yan's existence was a nightmare. 3 years later, they meet again as university students. Liu Yan no longer remembers Fang Li from that time, but the battle between the sunny girl and the proud devil had just begun. The two enemies experience the best times of youth together, recovering the beauty that was once lost and finding the path to their own dreams. Number 6. Love Unexpected. When a horrible accident claimed his mother's life 3 years ago, Suno was never fully able to recover the shock. Since that day, he has been living with an affective disorder so severe that he has lost all connection with his emotions, unable to laugh, cry, or even love. Suno has no way to connect with other people, as he has lost all the ability to empathize with others. Incapable of feeling any sense of guilt or remorse, he has become a brutal expert when it comes to corporate mergers and acquisitions. Though known for getting a job done, his savage techniques have made him the target of more than a few disgruntled individuals. When the need for a bodyguard becomes apparent, Suno begins the arduous task of recruiting. Among the many applicants vying for the job is KEC, an economics major who secretly dreams of becoming a professional fighter. With incredibly honed senses and lightning-fast reflexes, CE easily lands the job. Though Suno is glad to have the extra protection, there is something about the easy way CE uses violence that makes him feel uneasy. However, when CE throws herself in harm's way on his behalf, he begins to feel something else, though he isn't quite sure what that something might be. As the relationship between protector and the protected grows, Sunwo's long-lost emotions gradually begin to return, and with them, a whole new world of possibilities begin to present itself. But within this emotional new world, Sunwo must ask himself, is he able to accept the feelings he seems to have developed for CE? Number 5. Miss Crow with Mr. Lizard. Gu Xuan is a passion-filled, vibrant young man with his whole life ahead of him, until his life is turned upside down by a sudden traffic accident. He suffers life-threatening injuries to his heart and surgeons are able to save him only by giving him an emergency heart transplant. But when he recovers, he discovers that he is no longer allowed to perform most of the form of exercises. Worse still, the doctors warn him that experiencing strong emotions could also end his life prematurely. He tries to return to the normal life, but the changes he must make to his lifestyle take all the fizz out of his existence. He carefully avoids anything that could raise his heart rate, even if doing so turns him into a shadow of his former self. Things get another turn, however, when a woman named Jiang Xiaoning comes to work at the company he and his friend has set up. Jiang Xiaoning's own backstory is also tinged with sadness. She was orphaned at an early age. Regardless, she is a vertical font of positivity. Little by little, that positivity starts to rub off on Guxuan, but could this bond ever turn romantic in spite of his condition? Number 4. Please feel at ease, Mr. Ling. This is a story of how a rabbit, Guanxing, brings home a big bad wolf, Ling Wei, when she chances upon the hotshot executive after an accident. His injuries and the accident were the result of an ugly fight for succession at a powerful conglomerate. But none of that was evident initially. He first appeared stupid but slowly proved himself to be a genius. With two people so different from each other living together, what kind of relationship will they have? Number 3. Gogo Squid 2 DT Apple Dogs Time. Through his hard work and talent, Wubai managed to become the youngest star player of the national robot competition. He formed a team and entered the final round of the competition. On the same stage with him is Yexing, the person who initiated him into his passion. Both are determined to promote the popularization and application of technological robots in the younger generation group through the robot competition, which will accelerate the speed of the country's rejuvenation of science and technology. As competitors, Wubai's persistent and extraordinary talent attracts Yexing, while Yexing's passion toward her job, persistence in chasing her dreams, and outstanding tactics also earned Wubai's respect. The two of them supported each other through the competition and lead their respective team to the victory. Number 2. Use for my talent. Because of his incomplete family, Gurenshi has a closed-up personality and misophobia. Shi Shuangxiao used to have a happy family, but later lost her mother in a car accident and became a slovenly person. The two became acquainted when Shi Shuangxiao becomes an employee in Gurenshi's cleaning company. The two became closer as they get to know each other under each other's influence, then they begin to heal from their wounds. Number 1. You are my hero. As a new resident at the bustling Metropolitan Hospital, Mika's life is far from boring. With a steady stream of patients to see and a variety of training exercises to complete, Mika has little time for anything other than her work. But she doesn't mind. The chance to help people and save lives is all she has ever wanted, and she is all happy that she has finally found a way to make that dream of her become true. Ever want to volunteer when a new opportunity to help others arises? Mika joins a joint emergency rescue training exercise between the hospital and the police SWAT team, a decision that will change her life forever. When a deadly earthquake shakes the very foundations of the world, Mika is a part of the team ordered to the epicenter of the quake to help with rescue operations, joined by a team of military personnel including Singh Kelly, a special ops agent who first met Mika through a series of misunderstandings that left them both with a less than favorable impression of each other. Mika and her medical team set out on a mission fraught with danger. Despite their initial misgivings, Singeli and Mika have no choice but to put aside their differences to help those hit hardest by the recent earthquake. Working side by side, their feeling towards each other actually begin to soften as they observe how tirelessly each works to save lives. When the nation in which they are working is thrown into turmoil, Mika and the rest of the medical team find themselves in a very real danger. Putting his life on the line, Singeli is determined to come to their rescue. But will he be able to get to them in time? Don't disturb my study. 28-year-old Nan Xiangwan is an educationist who wakes up in her senior year of high school. She finds herself in the same class with a group of students who are all special students. Nan Xiangwan retraces her path of the entrance examination and gradually reversing one's prejudice in the process of sprinting toward her dream university. So that was it guys, the video ends here. I hope you have liked this video. If you have watched the video till here, give this video a like and subscribe to Drama YT. And yet you guys have not followed me on the Instagram handle, which is right in front of you. It is called dramayt.k2. Follow me there as well. And I will see you later as always. Your K2. Love, peace and hugs. It's been a pleasure.